What if I tell you that you only have to run one Google campaign that will last for the whole year and will continuously give you results? So today actually I'm going to share with you my experience. Actually I'm running some Google ads for some clients, and this is what I've seen, that only one campaign, and I'm running it for it is almost 2 years, and it's still running and it is still giving results. Everyone is happy, client is happy with the results, with the calls and conversions they are getting. So today I'm going to share with you that my experience. So let's move on to the screen and let's see. So here we are. As you can see, like $75.8K has been spent, and the cost per conversion is only $13.18. But this cost per conversion is only for these conversions. It is not included, not including these calls. So now, if you add like phone calls and conversions, the cost per conversion will be more like $6 or $7. And the total conversions, if we talk about like total conversions, there are actually like 30 or 40 conversions in a day. And the selling price, like the service my client is selling, it costs minimum like $400 to $500. So now what I have to share with you is my experience. So there are 3 or 4 things that I'm going to share with you. The first thing is proper tag manager installation. Now, if you have heard about the Google Tag Manager, you must have to install it directly on the right things. Okay, so if I will go here and I will show you my conversions. Okay, here it is. Now here, if you will see, like I have already added the conversion that are store visits, then submit lead form from the form. Now, if you will see like the phone call ads, there are separate conversions for each location of the store and all things like that. And if you will see in the contact, I have these conversions like the people who will click on the contact us detail or contact us buttons on the website. And here, if you will see, I have already added the get directions as my conversion, and the download, actually it's not the conversion. Here you will see like there are no conversions, but it was used for some other purpose, but now it's of no use. Now for the engagement, you will see like local actions, other engagements, 2+ minutes on site. I have also this kind of conversion, like the people who will spend 2 or more minutes on my website. And here you will see like conversion actions, local actions, website visits, and the menu views. Now the campaigns, you are seeing that there is only one campaign, that is here, and actually this is a place where the store is located. So there are actually 2 campaigns, but they are like location wise. So that is for the first location, and here you are seeing that the cost spent on it is $38,000 on this one campaign. Okay, so I have no other campaigns other than that. And on this second campaign, you are seeing like $29,123 spent on this campaign. And here's my other campaign, that is retargeting ads. And in the retargeting ads, you're seeing like I'm spending only $4.50 in a day. And actually I am retargeting those people who spent like 2+ minutes on my website but didn't convert. I'm targeting those, and I'm targeting those who didn't click on my website, but they have received an impression of my website. So I'm retargeting those, and this is actually like this campaign is running from past almost 2 years, and you have also seen like the cost spent on these campaigns are $38,000, and here on this campaign it is $35,000, and on the retargeting it's only, I guess, only $4,329. So this is what I do. The first thing is proper tag manager installation. The second thing is proper campaign setup. Like if you are going to set up the campaign for traffic, make sure like you keep that objective for the next 7 days, and after that you will decide like you have to change anything or not. Okay, like if you have to change any objective or CPA or anything else like that, like cost per action, you can decide that, but after only 7 days, not before than that. And other thing is, first you have to go for broad targeting, okay, like broad match keywords, because in that broad targeting you will get a lot of ideas that you can target and people are searching. And after that, like after a month or two, you can decide whether you have to go for phrase match or exact match. I'll also show you one more thing. Like what I'm doing is, actually I'm changing the keywords from time to time in this campaign, okay. Like this is the thing you always have to do. This is the only change that you have to do in the campaign. But you must wait like 7 days before making any, huge change or big change in the campaign, because Google takes 7 days to optimize the campaign. And after that 7 days, you can decide like you have to change anything. If you're not getting good results after even 7 or 8 days, you have to change something, okay? But if you are getting good results, just let it be. Okay, so when I ran this campaign, I actually changed a lot of objectives. I changed a lot of CBAs and a lot of like keywords, even after doing research and everything. But after like a 1 month and a half, my client is actually a patient man. So after a month and a half, the campaign was optimized in a very good way. And now it is giving me very good results. Like in the US, I'm getting cost per lead for only $6. So what more do you want, It is very, very good. So that is actually like the one campaign for the full 1 year. So if you have any questions in your mind, you can always ask me. You can always comment down and ask me to share your concerns, to share any of your questions, and I will try to answer you as soon as possible. And I will try to solve that issue, okay? So take good care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.